Triston. I'm the owner of Nunus Cafe and Drinking Service. All right. In this section here, we have ice cream, we do milkshakes, we do smoothies, we do protein shakes. We usually have a popcorn machine here, but it's being serviced right now. We have a bunch of little snacks and treats and things that we like to market towards the children. We want to make this environment here an environment where parents feel comfortable sending their children. Children can come here after school and hang out and do their homework. In the summertime, when there's no school, I usually have gaming PCs put up around the place where they can come in and play different video games. Around here is the printing service. This is the computer that I use. I do graphic designs, I make party flyers, I make posters, I make business signs. And this is the printer that I use to do. People also come in and rent PC time, where they utilize our computer for 15 minutes to an hour, and we charge for that service. A lot of people don't have computers, a lot of people don't have printers at their home. So this is something that we have here to really help the community. It's more about them than us making profit. You know, so another thing we have, this is what we use to take our passport pictures. We also offer that service here as well. So people don't have to go all the way down to half a tree or to the town. The service is available right here in Golden Square.
Is there? Can you show us a little bit of your work with the posters?
Absolutely. I'm actually working on.
This guy's multi-talented.
I'm actually working on one right now. A young lady named Aisha down the road.
Okay.
Just started working on this, so it should be complete by tomorrow. This is what I'm doing currently. She'll get the final work by tomorrow.
Wow, this is really good.
All right. I have a bar in Rose Hall as well. My baby mother and I.
Yeah.
So this was an advertisement for our grand opening for our bar.
Okay.
This is her on the cover here.
Rose Hall, where is that?
That's up in Tavern Side.
I have no idea.
Lawrence Tavern. So if you're in Golden Spring, you head towards like Amato Bay. By Temple Hall, you make a left going up the hill towards Lawrence Tavern. When you get to Tavern Square, you veer to the left going towards Glengulf. My number is 876-319-8713. For any of the services that I mentioned, you can contact me. If you're looking for employment as well, you can give me a call. I also assist on the grill that you did the video on previously, my father's grill. I do the serving of the pork. I deal with logistics as well. We have various equipment that I have to manage. I haven't found the right person to manage those equipment yet. So, yeah, man, we're hiring. If there's anybody interested in work that thinks they can be an asset to our team, yeah, man, give me a call.
And what are the positions you're hiring for?
We need help. We need help loading the truck. We need help with cooking. We need help with serving. This, like I mentioned, we have the ice cream parlor over here where we make smoothies and natural juice. So if you have a knack for those kind of things, like, yeah, man, I'd love to sit down and speak with you and see if you can help me take this to the next level. Yeah, man. The same number again, 876-319-8713.
All right, so take us to the printing area so we can see.
It's a Xerox machine. It's a basic Xerox machine, but it does all of what I needed to do. Double side printing, tabloid size printing, very clear quality, very good. So this printer's a little pricey, but
yeah, no, I believe you.
Definitely worth it.
It's worth it.
So yeah, man. We have lamination services as well. I do laminate business cards, laminate flyers, posters, whatever you need. This is our lamination machine right here. I also make business cards. I believe I have the cheapest business cards in Kingston. $2,000 for 100 business cards. That's my printing charge. If a design is required, it's a $500 additional charge. So $2,500 in total for your design and printing for 100 business cards.
Wow, you guys hear that? And if you have any important documents that you need laminated, all right.
Our graphic design, it starts at $1,500 for posters and flyers. That's what it starts at. The more details and the better you want it, basically, the more expensive it gets. So, yeah, $1,500 is base. Like what you just saw right there, that's a $2,000 design. That's not very expensive. And this one right here is a little bit more details. There's a lot of details in this one. So this one about $3,000. The design symbol with so much details in it.
Okay. You're very talented.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. I wish I could do stuff like that. That wasn't, God never gave me that gift.
I also do all of the menus for the restaurant.
Okay.
I mean, I created the logo for the restaurant as well as the wholesale.
Wow, you're very
These are the
talented.
labels for our meat packaging here.
Wow, that
You know,
looks
we sell pork as well. We have a farm.
Yeah.
So for the farm, we have sliced pork and stewed pork. So these are the labels that I made for the packaging when we send out our products. This is the logo that I designed for the business, Iamitas Farms.
And this looks amazing. And it's clean too. I like that. It's not cluttered.
It's a label, so it has to. I also make labels for other people as well. A lot of different. I didn't design these labels, but I print them.
Yeah.
I print the labels, so if they can design it and bring the design to me as well, and I can turn it into a label for them.
Okay. I see some stuff I'm personally interested in.
No problem. Well, you have the number. It's a business card that I designed for auto repair.
Yeah, that looks really good.
This guy's overseas. I came in from overseas to get this made.
Take his cards back.
Right.
Yeah.
He ordered quite a few. He ordered 1,000 business cards, and he ordered some flyers he wanted to put on
cards.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna guys, I'm getting some business cards for my business. I'm getting some business cards. And it's good to have them here. Like when you're here, you know, you meet potential clients, you can hand them out.
Absolutely.
And the price is really good.
All right. As well. Okay. So this is the menu for downstairs. Every Friday, we make a menu for downstairs and we post it on the social media for the restaurant. That's Nunus Smokehouse Jamaica on Instagram. I don't think you ever got the Instagram for the mobile smoker either.
No.
That's Nunus Mobile Smoker. That's the Instagram for the mobile
where you can
smoker.
find them, the updated menus.
For Friday and Saturday, whenever we're in Portmore, that's where we post the menu on the stories every Friday and Saturday.
And say it again, Nunus.
Nunus Mobile Smoker.
And guys, spell it for them.
NUNUSMOBILESMOKER.
All right, you guys, and they're in Portmore every Friday and Saturday. I'm gonna put the link in this video as well.
This is the menu for the road on Fridays. This is one of our menus. It shows you everything that we have available on the menu for that day.
Yeah.
This is the Instagram is at the
There's
bottom.
an Instagram right there.
And if you need to call and place an order for the mobile, this is the number to call.
You guys see the number 298-6468. That's 298-6468. And 876 if you're overseas.
And again, 7 p.m. to 3 p.m. Friday and Saturday. You can find us in Portmore at Port Henderson Plaza, right at the corner.
Port Henderson Plaza every Friday and Saturday. Guys, I put up the video. I'm gonna put that video in the link again. You're not gonna be disappointed.
This is the menu for downstairs.
And we're in the restaurant now, and this is the menu for the restaurant. Yeah, that looks really good.
Breakfast as well.
And they do breakfast. Yeah.
So it changes every Friday. It's come a far way. This is where it was when I first started. So I've come a far way since
You guys are putting a lot of work, yeah. I love that you guys are using social media and technology. I guess that's your department.
I mean, I'm trying, but I'm so busy.
It's hard
busy,
to,
but I'm trying my best.
Yeah, you're doing great, because this looks amazing.
And as we move forward, we'll be able to get more help. And be able to do things a lot.
And delegate who needs to be responsible for what. I understand.
You know, future growth, I really plan on tapping into the entertainment industry with this food thing. I've met quite a few artists since I've been here, and I really believe that if we tap into the entertainment industry, we'll really be able to achieve our goals quicker than if we continue to operate the way we're operating now. So in time, we just have to connect all the dots, and And believe me, we'll be able to get it to where we need to get it to. Also, I want to be able to get this in other areas of Jamaica. That grill that we have, my plan to my father, Mr. Glenn, is to duplicate this, to replicate this grill in different locations. High traffic areas like Ocho Rios, Negril, Montego Bay, places where tourism is extremely high. When we get people familiar with our brand in Jamaica, in those tourist areas, when it reaches other countries, they're already familiar. So
you saw what happened with Tasty Patty in Florida. Right. Once it reached there, they had no hands.
Well, you said they have Tasties in Florida now.
Yeah, they sold out. Was it Juicy Beef or Tasty? Juicy Beef, I think.
I don't know.
One of them is there now, and literally they're sold out a franchise in like a month.
Wow.
They have no more franchise.
But I was like Golden Crush, Mr. Hawthorne, I forget his first name. Mr. Hawthorne, he's from above Rocks or Border, up in Tappan side. And he started a brand called Golden Crust years ago, and it became a $70 billion company.
Oh, that's just like that.
It's a lot of work. It took years.
Yeah. You need the right people.
He did it, and he comes from here. And he took it to America and turned it into something big.
I think I've even ate there. I was in Brownsville, New York, and I ate there, yeah.
Believe it or not, Mr. Glenn and he grew up together. They were friends.
I never knew that. Actually, no, he did mention that.
Right.
He did mention that.
Right.
That's good to see somebody else do it because you know for sure you can do it because you've seen it done.
And I believe in my father's dream. This is my father's dream that I'm pushing right now. Before he came to Jamaica, he had a vision and he always told me, I want to go back to Jamaica. I want to come back to Jamaica. And I never thought in my life that I would move to Jamaica to live. But he convinced me that it was the best thing for our family, for our future. So I'm here with him.
Yeah.
I'm supporting him in his dream, and his dream is now my dream. So
that's awesome. I love it. I believe I met your dad and he sold me the dream and I believe in it. I believe in it. And we have the tools in Jamaica. I've been in Canada since I was a baby.
Right.
And I'm telling you, I feel like the math makes sense that it's a higher percentage for you to be successful here than in North America. Right. There's 90% of thing we're here in Jamaica. You know, we're the majority of the population. We are the majority. You know, so that's a big hurdle right there to go to worry about anymore. Which in North America, that's a big obstacle.
It's very different. It's
yeah.
Very different. You know, there's a lot of pros and cons to coming here. I've learned a lot about my culture. I've learned a lot about where I come from. I've learned a lot of skills since I've been here. Would you believe that I couldn't cook at all? I'm from a culture where our women take care of us and cook every meal.
Yeah, I believe you. I was in the same boat.
I didn't have to cook. If I'm hungry, I go buy something on the road.
Yeah.
I came here and they're like, you can't cook. I had to learn how to cook quick. Now I can go downstairs and cook a pot of rice and peas. I can fry chicken.
Everything.
I can do different things that I couldn't do before. So.
And you look great too. I'm telling you. I feel like if you're overseas, you're probably you haven't even aged, bro. When you told me your age, I had to like, no, dude. He's lying.
My entire life, I've been told that I look younger than I am.
Yeah, super young.
Right
if you were clean shaved, dude, and you say you're 30, 29, they're gonna believe you. And I feel like it's the good food, the good weather. You know. When I came here in 2020, I had no hair, dude. My hair was barely growing. I got stuck here for COVID, right? You know, they closed the Canadian border.
Wow.
And I was here for 7 months. I came December 5th, 2020, and I left July 1st, 2021. I grew all this hair. And I cut it and grew it back.
Yeah,
here while I'm here.
I had no hair when I got here.
Yeah, my hair was because the climate in Canada is dry. You know, you're always on the go, going to work, so you don't have time for maintenance.
You know, another thing, it was where I am in New York. This is considered taboo for somebody of my age in the corporate world.
Yeah.
So I wasn't able to wear hair and operate in business on a certain level and be respected when I worked into certain places.
No, you're right. Yes, absolutely.
But here in Jamaica, it's like more of an acceptance.
Yeah, I went to NCB Bank and the guy had a sick braid up.
See, and I remember once upon a time, Rasta wasn't the thing. I mean, a lot of Americans don't know that.
Yeah.
Rastas had a rough time in Jamaica for a long time.
They would catch them and beat them.
Police would beat them.
Yeah,
and now we come to a time where
everybody wants it.
Politicians have locks and you know.
People are buying the fake ones to put in their ear.
So Jamaica's come a far way.
Yeah.
Let's hope we keep on progressing in the right direction. All right, guys. So this area right here that you see zinced off right now, this is the roof for the bar next door, for the hardware store next door, and the plan is eventually to slab this area here and to create an outside ambiance that runs off of this place right here. So on Friday nights and Saturday nights, we can keep a nightlife type thing up here. People can come up and get their food late night, get nice mixed drinks, you know, and have a nice club life type like environment up here. You know, nice fun environment for big people. Probably put a pool table and some TV monitors. Be able to have some selectors come up sometime, or some artists even make walkthroughs or do private shows or host events for us. We want to make a nice fun place here. Sebastian across the street right now, he's the only person that seems to be cleaning into the nightlife. So Golden Spring kind of struggles in
That's
that
the
part.
yellow business?
Yeah, the big yellow building over
Oh,
there.
okay, I don't know if you guys can see it.
Place. His name is Courtney. It's a
Courtney.
very, very nice place. But besides him, nobody really brings life to the square at night. You know, and I would like to add that. At one point, I used to sell food here at nighttime until 4 in the morning. I would take over the kitchen when they left home. With Chris was my chef before my father. So he would cook until 4 o'clock in the morning and would keep the place busy. But because my father's business has run so much, I had to take time from that now.
Oh.
And focus on the growth of our family business,
Yeah.
which is more important than my personal business.
Yeah, because it's going to be your business too. So whatever happens here is yours.
One day, someday, but right now it's our business. So I have to follow the leader, which is my father. He's the head of this family, and I have to follow his direction. So that's where we are right now. So let's take a walk through the place so I can show you the different
All
things
right,
going
lead
on.
the way. Hey guys.
What's going on, Chris?
Hi.
Really?
All right, so
So you know this is the cashier. That's where you order your food when you first walk into the restaurant. You essentially place your order. What's on the menu for the day is written on this board, and whenever they run out, as you can see, the white ball for finishes, so there's no confusion. You place your order here, and they give you a ticket. When you receive your ticket, you bring it around to our servers around here. And there's a lovely young lady that shows you also.
yeah.
You give them the ticket, and they provide you just over here. So if you would like, you can go upstairs, you can have a meal upstairs, or you can take it to go. Alright, so we also have a wholesale down here where we sell wholesale pork and wholesale meats and different various things. So you can follow me and take a look at that as well. These are my little cousins, by the way.
Oh.
Part of the family.
Okay. Lead the way, little cousin. Nice to meet you.
This is our bar as well. It's closed right now. We're doing some renovations and restaffing. But hopefully next time you come by, this will be up and running for you to see what's going on. You know? Chucky's place. I'm the one they call Chucky around here.
Oh,
My right name is Triston, but everybody calls me
That's
Chucky.
your nickname, Chucky.
So, Chucky's place.
There it is. I hear it's right in front of.
This is our variety store here as well. So various new knickknacks inside. Golden Spring variety store. Slippers, hair products, all type of little things that we have here. Even coal we sell here, gas
Yeah.
we sell here.
So it's like a haberdashery.
Right, it's like a small haberdashery.
A little bit of
A
everything.
little bit of everything. And tools.
And tools. All right, lead the way.
Right. So this is Iamina's Meats and Wholesales right here. This is the store. You come and make your purchases.
That's where you come get your meats, guys.
Believe me, you get good quality meat here. And most of our meats, we have the best prices on meat. We have the best prices.
I've seen the meats. I know it's fresh.
And it's clean. Good quality stuff we have.
Yeah.
So come on down and just come check in. We'll take good care of you when you pass.
Here it is, guys. So when you're in Golden Springs, it's a one-stop shop for everything.
I'm gonna show you, take you around back so you can see the cleanliness of our meat, how we take it.
All right, lead the way. Go ahead, go ahead. Alright. We're in the cool room.
This is the cool room. This is where we store the...
I've been in Canada since I was a baby. This is not cool.
No, this is not cold. This is the cool room.
Yeah,
We're going
next
in the cold
time.
room now. So we keep the things like the lettuce, the cabbage.
Yeah, so they last longer.
Right, cool.
I read you
This is the
laugh.
cold room. Most people in Jamaica can't manage this room for too long.
Too long.
Wow, it's a little messy in here, more messy.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're in the cold room. Whoa.
So this is where we hang up our pork.
Yeah.
Which come from
I
our
can't
farm.
really show this on the camera for the obvious reason. Yeah, you know. But keep talking. They can hear you. So we're in the cold room, guys.
We have a whole bunch of meat in here, boxes with fish, boxes of meat, all types of meat.
This is where all the meat is kept.
This is, we have to make sure that this room stays at a certain temperature. If it drops even for a little while, we're in serious problem. The meat will spoil. So it's serious responsibility taking care of this stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna keep you in here too long. I see your shoulders raised up already.
Yeah.
It's cold.
It's cold, but because I can't really have this in the video, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. YouTube. Yeah. Oh, this is actually, trust me, that feels nice.
Yeah, if it's me,
For me, yeah, me too.
You know we make our own natural juice that we sell on pork.
No, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. They have some amazing natural juices, guys. Some different blends that I've never heard of. Mango and lime. I wish I could show you the meat room, but you know, for obvious reasons.
All right. So Miss Kanisha, who you met,
Yeah, I met.
she's the one that makes these juices.
Really?
And she does an extremely good job. The
And
natural
very
juice that
exotic.
the natural juice that she makes, this is star fruit juice.
Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Wow.
It's so nice. So nice.
Which one is this one?
This is a lemonade. Have you've never tried them before?
I know. I'm gonna try them
Come on,
today, guys.
You keep that right
All
there.
right.
You try that right there.
I'm gonna try these, guys. I'm gonna let you know.
You can take
I've
this
never
one
had.
as
Okay. I've never had star fruit before.
You hold them for you?
Yeah.
Until we reach up.
Lead the way, boss.
Star fruit came from my yard.
Wow. So you have the garden in your
From
home?
a star tree fruit up at the house.
Wow.
So every week, if we can, we just go and pick what we can. We're not always able to have star fruit. So
Yeah.
the juices change. We have melon juice, we have pineapple juice, we have different.
Depending on the
different-
season.
Right, depending. Apple juice, all of the juices that she makes are
Wow.
excellent, bro.
All natural.
I can't believe nobody told you.
You can't get this in Canada, guys.
I can't
It's not
believe
possible.
she didn't tell
I didn't know. Literally.
Oh,
That's
the
why
fruits here don't taste like they do in North America.
No.
It's completely different.
I've never even seen stuff.
Pineapple, so sweet. You can't find this stuff.
Yeah.
You can't.
This is why everyone's moving to Jamaica, guys. This is why everyone's moving to Jamaica. All the natural foods. I came here the short time period I'm here. I think I dropped like 15 pounds, and I didn't even eat that good. Yesterday I had cake at like 2 in the
I
morning.
was 230 pounds when I came here.
Wow.
Yeah, I was 230 pounds.
You hear that? 230 pounds. Look at this
Now I'm about
gentleman.
165.
He looks better than me. You know, I wish I was 165. Wish.
All right, so I think that was everything that you guys have seen.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that I missed?
I don't know.
I don't think there's anything I missed here. I mean,
What do you guys
next time
think?
we can be on the farm, doing a walk through the farm. Next time.
I want you guys to like, subscribe, share the video.
And please follow us on Instagram. Our restaurant is Nunus Smokehouse, Jamaica, and our mobile grills Instagram is Nunus Mobile Smoker.